Hey guys, I'm Brufio, welcome back to the channel. In this video, it's all about how to rescue your vocal recording when you did something really wrong. Are you ready? Let's go! So I'm in the midst of recording some quick tips for you guys leading up to Christmas. So I want to start on the 1st of December leading up to Christmas with one video every day showing you how you can start your home recording journey. I really like the approach. It's just quick tips for you. And I recorded everything with my SD1 from Universal Audio. I thought at least. And yeah, I did record it, but it looks like this. So typically I'm using my outboard gear here. So the Heritage Audio HA73 into my Pultec, into my LA2A, into the microphone. And it sounds nice always. And I then go into my mixer and out of my mixer into my Universal Audio Apollo. But what I did not notice, because I didn't want to wear headphones for the video, is that I had one channel unmuted on my mixer, and that resulted in having like a noise in the signal, and it was just heavily compressed and having had something on the master bus from the last session. So I don't know why, but typically I try to avoid stuff like that, and I typically do. But what came out then was, so the first tip or the first necessity for a home studio is a computer. Of course you can record even with an okay, that is not usable at all, but I recorded like 2 hours of content. So I had my Rode Wireless, where is it? So I had my Rode Wireless not here clipped on as a secure mic. I had it on my Phantom, so it was really far away from me. So maybe like this. And I just record that usually to sync it up with my camera audio and my recorded audio. And what I did not know at the time, that this has to rescue my recording now. As you see, this is really a long recording. And so I muted this one. Okay, so this is what the Rode microphone recorded. Music, all the good stuff. So as I said yesterday, if you have a MacBook or an Apple computer, so very quiet, far away, you hear the room, stuff like that. What did I do to make it result in this? So as I said yesterday, if you have a MacBook or an Apple computer, it comes with GarageBand. And the end product is then something like this. Hey guys, I'm Brufio, welcome back to the channel. These are my 24 days till Christmas home recording tips on how you can build a home studio and what you need. So number one is about a computer. In this day and age, without a computer, it's not possible to record any music. So before you continue watching the video, I just wanted to let you know that I made some nice ebooks on how to get better home studio recordings, perfect vocals, mix and mastering, and I also made a drum sample pack with all my essential drums that I use on a day-to-day basis. So electronic, real, and 80s drums, and you can get them all for free now. Just go to brufiomusic.com/gift, download them, and you're good to go. And if you have a Roland Phantom, I even give you my Roland Phantom preset pack. So let's get back to the video. So it's still not the best recording ever, but I think for those quick tips, it's enough. And how I did that is, as I said, I bumped up the level 9 dBs. And then I went to my Clarity VX and tried to reduce the room. Music, all the good stuff. So as I said yesterday, if you have a MacBook or an Apple computer, it's a lot better than the RXD reverb as well. So as I said yesterday, if you have a MacBook or an Apple computer, it comes. So this is fine. Then I limited it. Music, all the good stuff. So as I said yesterday, if you have a MacBook or an Apple computer, it comes with GarageBand. GarageBand is enough. I put in the virtual mix rack, having a little gate. I bumped up the lows, so I have like a deeper voice, or the voice is more bassy. These are my 24 days till Christmas home recording tips on how you can build a home studio and what you need. Put a lift, put out some mids and bumped up the lows. Cut also at 100 Hertz. So then I put in a compressor. Hey guys, they also have now just really simple ones, not even the twin, and then a de-esser to cut out the S's. They also have now just really simple ones, not even the twin has 2 inputs. On the master bus, the C suite. If you are a singer-songwriter, for example, with a guitar and a microphone, you need 2 inputs, but you can also go with like the Arrow, or they have even this is how I rescued my recording. It still doesn't sound as nice as when I'm recording with my broadcast microphone. But you know what? I know that I'm an audio channel, but I thought, okay, I will go with that now. I have to embrace it, but I at least show you how I try to fix that vocal recording now so it doesn't sound like this. And now when you record yourself, the problem is usually... You see, that's the problem. If I have a recording session, of course, I would check everything, put in headphones and all that stuff. But for the look, I didn't want to have headphones on, and I did not check it the first time, which was of course a mistake, but sometimes mistakes happen and now I have to embrace it. Alright, that's it for today, guys. We see us next week, and then in December we really take it off with 1 video a day till Christmas. See you in the next one. Peace out.